Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Ti-Connect CE and confirming your computer recognizes devices. This is how files move. Plug the OEM USB cable into the calculator and PC, then power the calculator on so it can talk. Once connected, open Ti-Connect CE. Make sure drivers finish installing. Otherwise, restart the app. You want the device listed in the program, because only then can you send programs, OS updates, or backups. Start with a small test file to verify the link is active and responsive. Now you transfer files. Choose Send to Device, pick the calculator, and select 8XB or 8ZU files. This is how the TI reads your content. Drag and drop works too, and you'll see progress bars. Watch those to confirm completion. When installing an OS, you must ensure the calculator has sufficient battery because an interrupted OS flash can brick the unit. Use a powered USB hub if your laptop is low on power. After transfer, verify the file appears under the calculator's Programs or Apps menu to confirm success. Finish by confirming the transferred item runs on the calculator. Open Programs or Apps and execute a test. You want functional proof. If something goes wrong, first try a different USB port or a known good cable, then reinstall Ti-Connect CE and restart the computer. These steps fix driver conflicts or permissions. If the OS update fails, perform a soft reset, and, if necessary, a full reset only after backing up. Contact Texas Instruments support for hardware faults. They can guide recovery or replacement options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.